Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hardin County, Illinois, southeastern Gallatin County,
North Central Crittenden County, Kentucky, Union County
in northwestern Kentucky
until 10:30 a.m. At 10 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Rosicler or 12 miles northwest of Marion, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes and outbuildings. Locations impacted. Morganfield, Shawneetown, Breckenridge Center, Cave and Rock, Old Shawneetown, Carver's Ridge and Groves. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Gallatin and Hardin, and the following counties in Kentucky, Crittenden and Union.
Oh, we got another. There's another one. Another SDI.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, South Central Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, Northern Vanderbilt County in southwestern Indiana, Northeastern Posey County in southwestern Indiana until 10:30 a.m. At 10:01 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Blairsville or near Mount Vernon, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Mount Vernon, Fort Branch, Hobstadt, Darmstadt, Cynthiana, Blairsville, Casson, and Alberfeld. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Gibson, Posey, Vanderburgh, and Warwick. Taking a look at your 7